Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here, Rebuilt Recovery. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about how to know when it's time for you to ultimately make the change, quit porn, reboot your brain, rebuild your life, and become the man that you were created to be. Provide you guys with maybe just a little bit of insight into how you need to be looking at this, how you need to be going into this approach, how you need to be beginning this process with the right mindset, with the right mentality, so that you can succeed in winning the battle against pornography. But before we jump into today's video, guys, to remind you who we are and what we do here. My name is Frank Rich, CEO, founder, and head coach at Rebuilt Recovery, and it is our mission to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Now, we do that in a handful of different ways. First off, right here on the Rebuild Your Life YouTube channel, we are releasing new videos every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. So if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there. And also turn those post notifications on so you are notified every single time a new video is released. And secondly, for you guys in the early stage of trying to identify all the ways in which porn is having a negative impact on your life, and you're curious about what life can look like for you once you've been able to remove this destructive habit out of your life, make sure to download our free ebook. It's the 7-step guide to living life without porn, where I walk you through the exact process that we use with our students and clients here on how to identify all the ways in which porn is having a negative impact on your life. How to then take that and build a proactive plan to get you out of the depths of this addiction and step into the life that you know you were created to live. But most importantly, what do you need to do to build up the discipline? What do you need to do to create willpower, follow through, execute upon your plan every single day so you can in fact make this a reality by quitting porn for good? So that's a 7-step guide to living life without porn. I'm gonna link it down there in the first pinned comment below. So after today's videos, guys, make sure to visit the page and download the book. But let's get back to today's video, guys. How do you know when it's the time for you to quit porn? You know, I get interviewed a lot. I get to be a guest on many podcasts. And one of the questions that always comes up, and it kind of boggles my mind that when we're having this conversation, this is one of the first questions that people go to, but it's how does one know if they're addicted to pornography? And I shot an entire video answering this question, that asking that question, am I addicted to porn, is the wrong question. You know, I think one of my main goals in what I really try to accomplish here with this content, what I try to accomplish with all the videos that we're shooting, is an education. It's an understanding that it doesn't need to be defined as an addiction. We don't need to view ourselves as addicts. Pornography is a drug. It's having a negative impact on your abilities, on your brain's ability to function, to have executive function, to tap into flow states, to get into creative states. It's having a major impact on how you view the world, on how you objectify other individuals. So it's not a when am I addicted? It's not a if, when should I quit question. It's a matter of, is your goal living an optimized life? Is your goal in this life to become the greatest human being that you could potentially be? Is your goal in this life to pursue greatness, to pursue goals, to live a life full of happiness and joy? If those answers are yes, then the time to quit is now. It's not a matter of, am I addicted and do I need to get in front of this behavior before I fall victim to it? The answer is, does porn serve me in any way? Is there any good that comes out of it? Is there any good that comes out of me by not being able to handle the stressful situations when I'm triggered to pornography and seek the easy instant gratification? Is there any good that comes out of when my wife rejects me, my aim to get back at her is by viewing pornography? Is there any good that comes out of it when you avoid social situations, when you avoid social interactions to stay home and masturbate? Is there any good that comes out of it, that instead of doing the hard things in your life, instead of starting that new business, instead of facing those challenges, instead of doing the things that need to get done, you'd rather just sit there and be visually aroused by shiny pixels on a computer screen? Is there any good in your life that comes out of pornography? And when you answer that question, the question to today's video, when is it time to quit, becomes glaringly obvious. Because if you're watching one of these videos, if you return every day for the new videos, then you know the answer. So the real question is, why are you not doing it? The real question is, what is preventing you from taking action? The real question is, why are you afraid to take control of your life? The real question is, why are you continuing to live in fear and mediocrity? And why are you not becoming the man that you were created to be? I really think that's the questions that we need to be asking ourselves. Not is, oh, when is the right time? Am I addicted? Because here's the fact, guys. If you don't believe that you're addicted, then I challenge you. I challenge you to quit for 30 days. I challenge you to quit for 90 days. And then let me know when you slip back and relapsed. And then if you did make it successfully to the 90 days, then report back and tell me all the ways in which your life has improved. So it's not a matter of when is the right time. The right time is now. We all know that, brother. The real question is, why are you not taking action? Why are you not doing the things that you know you need to do right now to get this out of your life? Why are you not getting accountability? Why are you not joining a program? Why are you not seeking help? Why are you not talking with a coach? Why are you not finding the right people in your life to lift you up? Brother, it's on you. So it's not when is the right time. The right time is now. The real question is, what are you going to do about it? If this video helped you, if it spoke to you, I want you to comment down there below and say the time is now. The time is now for me to take back control of my life, quit porn, reboot my brain, and become the man that I was created to be. If we can help in that process, I advise you to download the 7-step guide there at the link below, the 7stepguide.com. And when you do so, I want extended invitation to book a call with myself, and let's map out a plan for you. Let's talk about what this journey will look like for you over the next 4 months. But that's it, guys. Really hope that this video helped. Really hope that I spoke to you, maybe brought some clarity to this issue. But Frank Rich from Reboot Recovery. See you guys on the other side.